Viral TikToks often promise that a few AI prompts will turn your laptop into a faceless cash machine. But running an AI YouTube channel in 2026 looks nothing like those tutorials. In July 2025, YouTube rolled out a policy overhaul specifically targeting low-effort AI-generated content. They drew a hard line against videos that rely on automated generation without human context. When a channel uploads mass-produced scripts read by robotic voices over generic stock footage, the penalties hit fast. We are talking immediate demonetization, channel strikes, or removal from the YouTube Partner Program. Survival now requires a human-in-the-loop standard. AI can handle the heavy lifting of production, but a human must step in to provide original analysis and strategic framing. Generating a video with AI takes minutes, but clearing the bar for original value is the standard you must meet to stay on the platform. A couple of years ago, the workflow was simple. Grab a raw script from ChatGPT, paste it into a text-to-speech engine, and layer it over unedited stock visuals. That specific zero-friction pipeline is now a fast track to losing your ad revenue. YouTube's spam filters catch it immediately. This diagram compares the two methods. On the left, a fully automated workflow hits a red rejection wall. On the right, the 2026 playbook succeeds because the creator intercepts the AI process with human insight and the mandatory platform disclosures. This requires a strict operational trade-off. You can no longer pump out 5 videos a day. You have to slow down your output to a few high-quality uploads a week. Giving up that daily upload volume is the toll you pay to protect your revenue stream. To build a compliant pipeline, 3 tools dominate the current market: ShortsNinja, PostEverywhere, and OpusClip. This chart plots how these tools perform against YouTube's rules. Evaluating software strictly on speed without mapping compliance risks guarantees failure. The bottom left is the danger zone: high automation and demonetization risk. The top right is the safe zone, where human input secures monetization. Every piece of software you add to your stack shifts your channel's position on this survival matrix. ShortsNinja offers a streamlined 3-step workflow. You input a concept, and it generates the script, voiceover, and visuals all at once. For a solo creator, condensing a 4-hour production pipeline into under 5 minutes is a massive operational advantage. But as the chart shows, ShortsNinja lands in the danger zone. The raw AI outputs are highly generic. To stay safe, you must pull the content toward the right by rewriting the scripts yourself. ShortsNinja uses a credit-based consumption model to fuel its automated series scheduling. If you use the time zone-aware auto-posting for daily uploads, you will reach your plan's limits much faster than casual users. PostEverywhere is the all-in-one alternative. It handles video generation, captioning, and scheduling across 6 platforms. This eliminates the fatigue of jumping between browser tabs and paying for multiple overlapping software subscriptions. The trade-off here is visual fidelity. You give up cinematic quality for a basic, social-optimized vertical format. Both of these fall squarely into the all-in-one volume category. These volume engines are powerful for growth, but they don't generate revenue if you fail to manually inject originality into the final edits. OpusClip takes a different path. Instead of generating ideas from a prompt, you feed your existing, human-led long-form video into its engine. Its algorithm uses a virality score to identify where the pacing is strongest, then extracts and reframes those specific moments into vertical shorts. This method provides high monetization safety. Because the underlying footage features a real person delivering original thoughts, it easily clears YouTube's authenticity hurdles. On the chart, OpusClip lands securely in the safe zone, but it requires heavy human input on the front end. It is entirely reactive. It cannot generate assets from thin air. By using a repurposing tool, you trade the platform risks of AI generation for the physical work of actually having to film the content yourself. Your 2026 strategy depends on your assets and risks. This tree maps your paths. With existing long-form footage, you're a repurposer, making OpusClip your safest revenue route. Starting from scratch, prioritizing frequency over quality makes you a broadcaster, best suited for volume engines like ShortsNinja. The broadcaster path has hidden costs, like YouTube's disclosure toggle and lower revenue. Alternatively, starting from zero but demanding premium storytelling makes you a quality optimizer, requiring specialized tools like Runway and 11 Labs. Selecting a strategy that doesn't match your schedule or skills is a quick way to hit burnout or demonetization. The window for passive income with zero-effort AI videos is permanently closed. Committing to a human-in-the-loop workflow is the only defense against YouTube's algorithm sweeps. Your role in 2026 is that of an active managing editor, supervising an automated staff of software agents. These tools are highly capable assistants that will save you hundreds of hours, but the ultimate responsibility for providing value